If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori.
Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? To those that are new, welcome. To those that came back, girl, I see you. Girl, I see you. Y'all. She happy today. And you already read the title. So we ain't even going to say watch and see. Because y'all already know what it is. So let's get into it. I'm that excited. I don't even want to put no little in-between stuff. We about to get in it. Yeah. I want to first shout out Lala Bad. If you don't know your girl, you need to check her out. Because she is the one that hit me on to this mystery box from Coloured Raine. Y'all. I picked up the mystery box from Coloured Raine. And it was $35. With the shipping was $40. And you got $150 worth of product. Now, I didn't add up my products to see if it was $150, but yeah, it's definitely that $150, because wait till you see all the stuff that I got. But I just want to say one thing before I get into this box. I have never been on a live before with the owner of Coloured Raine, and I have to give this woman so much props. You guys know how I feel about supporting a sister and all that. So she was on live today, and she was doing her lipstick look for National Lipstick Day. So, while I'm filming, it's National Lipstick Day. So, happy National Lipstick Day. But y'all, in her video, she shouted out so many different companies. It was not all about Coloured Raine. Beauty Bakery's coming out with a setting powder. A setting spray. It's like the it comes in a can like the Morphe's. So it's sometime in August. So she was using their products. She was just using so many other. The Lip Bar. Lip Bar has a contour and what is it? It's a contour. Let me just show you. Cause I already got mine. Y'all getting a sneak peek. But the Lip Bar, y'all, has a contour. And then when you open it up over here, a blush. That's all y'all getting. Y'all gonna have to wait for another video for that. But she shouted them out. So I just want to give her big props because I love a woman that's not afraid to lift up another woman. And I respect that so much. So y'all gonna be seeing a lot of Coloured Raine because I respect that. So y'all, let's get into this mystery box. First thing I'm gonna pull out, because it was all in the bottom, but let me go ahead and open it up, y'all. Isn't this cute? Mind you, y'all, $35. Everything you're gonna see. So let me smell mine. Lala was saying it do feel like real leather. It's not pleather. I don't know what this is. I don't know. Well, I don't know if it's real leather, but it's even like a suede. Y'all see that suede material on the inside? But it says Coloured Raine on it. This metallic pink color. It's a pretty nice size. And you can snap it closed like that. This will be cute as a little clutch. If you want to use a little clutch one night. But, y'all know this is going to be decoration for my beauty room. Because I want my beauty room to represent like some of my favorite brands. So that's what I'm going to use this for as decoration. Yes. And I was thinking about something. But yeah, side note to myself. Y'all ignore me. All right. So that's the first thing. Now, y'all know your girl is on the struggle bus when it comes to lashes. But they gave us a pair of lashes. Let me get them out. I guess the number is CR23. I don't know what that means. But y'all, these are actually some lashes I would like. Because I like the lashes that they're smaller and then they get a little longer on the outer portion of the eye. So these are definitely some lashes your girl wouldn't mind. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see it. Wouldn't mind having. So I got lashes. We're just going to get into the lip products first. Since it is National Lipstick Day while I'm filming this, let's get into the lippies. Now, the lipstick that I actually have on my lips is called Soul. And y'all, I actually have this. To me, this is the perfect nude for me. Perfect nude for me. But I'm going to swatch it also so you can see. And if you were on my live yesterday, you saw a sneak peek of that. So we're going to do a swatch right here. And it's a mauvey purplish color. But y'all, I love this. See how it's just it just blends right into my skin? So like if I had a real bold eye and I just want a little pop of color, this would be perfect. So that's Soul. So that's the first lipsticks. And this is what the lipsticks look like. Super cute, y'all. Super cute. And then they're gold on the inside. So that's Soul. Now the next color is Boudoir. Boudoir? Boudoir. That's the color. And let me swatch it. And that's the swatch. And for those that don't know, purple is my favorite color. So y'all already know how I'm feeling about this box thus far. Now the next color I got is called Serene. That's what Serene looks like. It looks like a nice nude. And that's the swatch of Serene. I would rock that with a like a deep purple lip liner. Gonna be cute. Gonna be cute, y'all. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all. Y'all, by the way, my face. Tell me what you think. I did a makeup look, y'all, without using any foundation. I have on 0 foundation. I got the idea from Go Forth and Conquer because she was always talking about my skin and stuff. I'm like, let me just do like a summer look that you can do without having to use any foundation. So if you guys want me to film this look, let me know because there's no foundation, but of course I contour, blood. I did all the other stuff. I just didn't use foundations. All right, let's move on to the lip gloss. So now y'all, you see I have a bag, lashes, and 3 lipsticks, and there's more. We got 3 liquid lipsticks. Now, the first one I'm going to swatch is called Spiked Punch. And I did see this a lot in a lot of people's things. And I love her packaging. Super cute. Y'all, if you know me, you know how I feel about this color. Look at that orange. What? Is this not my color scheme, y'all? Purples and oranges? Is this not my color scheme? It's like they said, oh, we know her. We know it's Lori's like. We know what she like. Y'all. Okay, the next color liquid lipstick is called the Red Dragon. I'll swatch that one for you. Now this one is more, looks like it got a little bit of metallic in it. I might be wrong, but it looks a little metallic, has a little metallic into it. I try to change my lighting. I hope it's better. Y'all see the color scheme we got going on? And y'all know I like me a red lip. And so the last liquid lipstick is in Suede. Y'all, I'm telling you. Look at Suede, y'all. With a chestnut liner, or what's the other dark, or my BFF liner from ColourPop. But there's a real dark one. What's the dark brown one? It's called Bittersweet. Let me see if I can. That's Bittersweet swatch next to that. Y'all, you know that's going to be pretty. That's Bittersweet from MAC that I just swatched the lip line. Y'all know I love it because look how little it is. But that, to me, that's going to be a great combination. Then we got an individual shadow. And it came in this packaging. I'm trying to pull it out. And it's in the color Intergalactic. It's the color. I'm going to swatch it for you. Y'all, who ain't winning over here? Who is not winning over here with this box for $35? I'm like really tempted to get another box, y'all. Like, for real, for real, for real. That's the color right there. And I'm going to swatch it right here. And that's a pretty, like a dual chrome with some green. kind of like it's shifting a little bit, just a little bit. Nah, no, maybe not. I don't know if I see a little, do y'all see a little purple in there? Or am I tripping? But that's the individual eyeshadow. Now, y'all know I am on a low buy for eyeshadow. So I'm only purchasing 15 palettes a year. So anytime I get something with an eyeshadow palette in it, that I don't have to count against my 15, you know your girl happy, right? You know, y'all know. I ain't even gotta tell you. I'm ecstatic. So, oh, wait a minute, y'all. I forgot one thing. But since we're talking about eyeshadow palette, might as well go ahead and show it to you. I've got the Very Cute. And y'all know how I like to say, she cute. So this is Very Cute eyeshadow palette. Yeah. Look at those colors. Super, super cute colors. Am I gonna swatch them? I guess I can. Y'all want me to swatch them? Sure. All right. The first color is called, I don't got my glasses on. Pinkleberry. So I'm gonna do this top row first. Starting from the side on over. Make sure my hand's clean. So we got Pinkleberry. Whoa. Purpleberry. Okay, Pinkleberry is a shimmer. This Purpleberry is a matte. I don't know why it's swatching like that's a bad swatch, but y'all know swatches don't mean nothing. And then we got Platinum Berry. Okay, Platinum. And I did just put some lotion on my arms right before I came on. Oh, y'all, look at that. Look at that. Lala, see that gray? I think you got this one too. Now on the second row, we got Kissberry. I'm trying to clean my fingers off. It's a matte. It's a little dry though. Feeling a little dry to me. Hold on. It's like a pink. Pinkish brown like color. Let me add some more and see if we can build that up. Oh, okay. You can definitely build that up. And then the next color is Palmberry. And this is a shimmer. Let me clean my hands up. And it's purple. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Purple rain, purple rain. Y'all, look at that purple. What? Ooh, them two colors. This one and that one. Even though the swatch looks crazy, but I can see them two going really well together. And then the last one is Loveberry. It's a matte. And it's like a darker purple. And see the mattes, I see on just by the swatches, maybe I might have to build them up, but y'all know what swatches don't mean diddly quat. Because it all depends on how it's gonna act on my eye. So y'all, that is the eyeshadow palette. What? Child. Your girl happy. The last thing I received was a highlighter in the color. Hold on, let me take it out. I open up all the things. Try to be luxurious bling. That's what it looks like. So I'm not sure if it's one of them kind of colors that look different once you put it on. You know, some, because I'm looking at it now. Let's see. Oh, it's one of them iridescent ones, y'all. Oh, yes, baby. I'm going to try to blend it out some so y'all can see. Do y'all see that? It's got like gold in it. I see a little hint of purple. I might be tripping. I don't know why I do see a little hint of purple. I'm not tripping. And then there's gold. Trying to turn my arm so y'all could see. But y'all, that is what I got for $35. What? If you have not picked up a mystery box, I would suggest you do it. Don't play yourself. Don't play yourself. Because to me, even if 2 or 3 of the items I didn't really care for, you still got what? How many? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. You know what I'm saying? So even if there's a few things in here you don't like, you still got plenty to enjoy for $35. Y'all, I think I want another one. Because, like I said, y'all gonna see more Coloured Raine because I really respect the owner. And when I rocks with you, I rocks with you. And I rock with Coloured Raine because she's awesome. She's about supporting other women, and I love that. So that's it, y'all. If you guys want to see me do this no foundation makeup look, let me know. And if you want me to use this palette in that look, let me know. So put that down in the description bar, and I'm gonna sneak a little bit this in that look too, if you really want to see it. But this is coming soon. I'm gonna do a little mini first impression on this. So it's coming soon. So now, to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.